A very simple and interesting point regarding herb, shrub, and trees. What is the very concept regarding all these? Simple. If you see a plant structure having no woody structure, that is called herb. And if you see a plant having a structure with the woody structure, means there is wood, so then it is called shrub. But if the woods are present and the size is enough high, enough large, then that is tree. Example, so this is herb, this is shrub, and this is tree. So actually the size is increasing of the plant, and there is also increment or involvement of the woody structure in that entire developmental process. So now let me tell you guys the trick to remember or to memorize herbs, shrubs, and trees. You know about A, B, C. So when you go through A, B, C, you will get first of all H, then S, then T. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So if you forget, remember that the herbs, shrubs, and trees are actually like this. First there is herb, then there is shrub, then there is tree. Smaller sizes of herb, a little bit larger is of the shrub, and more larger is of the actually of the tree. So this is the combination of the herb, shrub, and tree, and the concept that I just told you guys. I hope you got. If still you have confusion, feel free to ask us in the comment box, and thank you for watching Dr. UUT Lectures.